Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to adjust your language, time zone, and company details in your free Agie CRM. First, log into your account. On the dashboard, look at the top right corner. Click on your profile picture, a menu will drop down. Click on Settings, this takes you to the Settings page. On the left, look for Personal Settings or My Profile, click on it. Now, change the language. Look for a field called Language. Click the drop-down menu next to it. A list of languages will appear. Click on your preferred language. The page will update. Next, set your time zone. Find the time zone field. Click the drop-down menu. Find and select your city or region. This ensures all your meeting times are correct. Finally, update your company information. Go back to the left menu and click Company Settings. Update your company name, address, and phone number here. Type the new information into the boxes. Click the Save button at the bottom, and that's it. You've updated your language, time zone, and company details. If this helped personalize your CRM, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.